Hi everyone, I've got another unboxing here. This is from the Chanel 21P collection. I honestly received this a couple of weeks ago from one of the stores, but haven't had a chance to unbox it because of some just a lot of stuff going on. But I have opened the package or taken off the tape, and that's about, or cut the tape, and that's about it. I have been on the hunt for this particular bag for about a month and a half now. So I was really excited whenever I got the call that that they had located it for me. It's wrapped really well, really well. Okay, this is different and unexpected. Okay, so here we go. So I guess they must have still been out of the normal Chanel boxing. Camellia here. This did not come from my normal Neiman store. This came from a store in California. This is one of the last ones that they were able to find. Okay. So, receipt. So, papers. Just saw a little glimpse of it. Okay. Oh yes, it's gorgeous. Oh yes, that is beautiful. Let me take everything off of it. Pockets, just got tags on. So as you can see, this is the small Chanel 19 from the 21P collection. So the 21 pre-spring collection in the metallic iridescent, or more I guess iridescent white color. But I love this bag. It's got the top handle. It's got the interwoven CC here in the front. It's got the brushed gold hardware along with, sorry for my dogs, along with the, I'm going to call this like a gunmetal gray, and then the ruthenium hardware right here, and then a little bit more gunmetal or shiny silver. But it's absolutely gorgeous bag, and I just love the size of this one. And I do like a top handle bag as long as I can have something to put it against my body when I need to be a little bit more hands-free. So structure of the bag, the back pocket, which is very generous and very easy to fit a large phone into. And then you've got the same turn lock clasp that all the 19s have. And then inside it is just one open compartment and a zip compartment here at the back. And there is my authenticity card, which shows that it is part of the 21P collection. And I just love it. I think this bag is going to go with so many different outfits, and I think it's also a great wedding bag. I think it's a gorgeous color. I can't wait to wear it. So that is it for this one. And this one is in, I believe it's in a calfskin. It's not in the lambskin, and it feels very thick, luxurious, but at the same time pretty hardy. So I'm going to get a back shaper for it to make sure that this doesn't sag, because I don't like the way that the 19s sag. but really excited about using this one. And I'm definitely not going to just save it for special occasions. This will be something I get a ton of use out of. But there it is, the beautiful Chanel 19. And then in a couple of months, once I've gotten a good bit of wear and wear out of the bag, I will do a review to show you how this metallic or iridescent finish is wearing and how the 19 bag in general is working. Not just in terms of wear and tear, but in terms of functionality and how much use I'm getting out of it versus like some of my other bags, like the Boy bag or some of my other Chanel bags. So stay tuned for that, and please subscribe if you like these type of videos, and hopefully I will see you soon. Have a blessed day.